BULL, stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this very short 1-minute video. I've invested tens of thousands of dollars in courses and mentors, not even an exaggeration. Over the last 5 years, I've done 40,000 videos. You know, I'm not even, again, over exaggerating. You can see how much videos I've done. So with this in mind, yeah, I have some of my drawings here. So how are they looking like? No drawings, by the way, my bad, but 18% up is sick. The only thing that's gonna be a full candle shift, you always see if there's like a full candle close above 18 bucks or whatever. I mean, because right now this is just a bearish range, nothing special about it. Even though it's like 18% up, I don't really quite care, because this is what's holding the price still bearish. And if the price doesn't give me the rules, then what I'm not gonna do is randomly try and get involved and buy, you know. So that's at least how bull is looking like for me. And if you want to learn how I'm consistently making 5 to 10K per month trading without indicators, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I will be seeing you in the next one.